In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create branded stickers for your Instagram stories using Canva. Hello everyone, it's Laressa here. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. This is the place on the internet where I help fellow real estate agents level up their media game with Canva and the Wolfpack here at eXp Realty. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to create branded stickers for your Instagram stories, which is a wonderful way to highlight your distinct personal brand. But before we get into it, please be sure to like this video and subscribe. And if you are interested, I am now doing free social media consultations, and you can book directly into my calendar using the link in the description box below or comment down below, and I'd be happy to give you my link. So now let's create these branded stickers. All right, here we are at the Canva dashboard. We are going to make things simple, and we are just going to open up a Instagram post here, which is a 1080 by 1080 pixel post, a blank one, and I'm going to show you how to create some real estate stickers so you can add them to your Instagram stories. And it's really simple. So first off, I like to go into elements, and I like to look up a gradient circle. And there are a few that you can choose from. I typically like to choose either this one or this pink one here. And the reason is because you can change the colors. So I'm just gonna make this, blow this up a little bit, center it, and I'm gonna choose my brand colors here. So let's see, this one. Okay. So here you can put anything you'd like. I like to have my icons in a circle. So for this post or this sticker, let's go ahead and create a sold sticker and create a new listing sticker and play from here. So I'm just going to use this text here, and I'm just going to put in sold. Let's see, with lowercase letters. I like that better. So I'm just gonna make this a bit bigger. And then what I'm going to do is go into effects and add a bit of a lift or a black shadow just to help the text be distinguishable from the background. So that's the first sticker done. It's very simple, very easy. Now I'm going to create the next page by just duplicating. Then I'm going to change this text to listed, and I'm going to size this down just a little bit, and then I'm going to grab another text box just in a regular font here and put new. And then of course we are just going to blow this up a little bit. Let's see here. Way bigger. Okay, so that kind of works here. Sorry, not new listed, just listed. There we go. Just listed. So you can put just listed or new listing, up to you. So that is the second sticker done. And as you can see, it's very simple. You can do whatever you want. You can be more creative than me, but I'm just kind of giving you the basics of how to design this sticker. Now, the next one we can do is a bit of a fun one, and that is creating a sticker of yourself. So if you have some profile pictures like I do here, and typically I use these for my thumbnails, my YouTube thumbnails, but in this case, let's just use this photo here. And of course, if you've been watching my channel for quite some time, you would know that one of my favorite features, my favorite Canva Pro feature, is the background remover. So to do that, we're going to click on the image, edit image, and then hit the BG remover, background remover, and of course, let Canva do its magic, and boom, there you have it. Background is removed. Now in this case, I want to add a outline to kind of help me stand out from the background. So to help me see this outline, I'm going to change the background to this gray color. And I'm just going to click the image again, go into edit image, and then hit shadows, and we're going to go with the glow. And you can make the glow any color you'd like. For in this case, I'm just going to make it white, which is why I changed the background to gray, so I could see how big the outline is. So I'm going to bump up the transparency to all the way to 100. And that looks good. You can make it as sharp as you'd like or a bit softer. But I'm kind of going to go in between here, maybe number 3, and I'm just going to hit apply. Alright, now I'm going to size this up properly. Just do it like that. Okay. Now we have 3 stickers. So finally what we have to do is to download them as a PNG with a transparent background. And you do need a pro account to download the images without a background. And if you would like, I have a 30-day free Canva Pro trial that you can try out so you can try these Canva Pro features for yourself. So we are going to hit download, and then we are already in PNG. And then we're going to hit the transparent background and we're going to download it all. Alright, after you have downloaded these stickers as a PNG with a transparent background, what we are going to do is transport them to your phone. And if you're like myself and you are using a Mac computer and you have an iPhone, you can easily airdrop the stickers to your phone. But if not, Canva also has a mobile app where you can directly download your design to your photo gallery. In this case, I'm just going to highlight these images and I'm going to open up my phone and I'm going to airdrop this to my iPhone. Just like that. Alright, now that you have downloaded or imported the stickers into your phone library, the photo gallery, now I'm going to show you how to use these amazing stickers. So go into Instagram, open up Instagram stories, and now let's just import a photo, a random photo from Canva of a home, a rendered home. But if you have an actual listing, use those photos instead. So the way we can do this is you want to go back into your photo library and we want to just click on the sticker you want. So let's say, hold on, let's go back here. So if you're on iPhone, if you see in this corner here that up arrow button, just click that and copy the photo and then go back into Instagram and the sticker will pop up into the bottom left corner. And then that's the first sticker, and now let's use the other sticker. I'm going to show you another way to copy a photo into Instagram. So let's say you missed that pop-up sticker. What you can do is just click on the actual screen and then you want to pop up a text box and then we can just go in and paste it just like that. Now for fun, let's just go in and add the picture of you there because you are the amazing agent. So copy photo, go back into Instagram, and we're just gonna pinch and resize just like that. Wow, and there you go. That is what it looks like. It's beautiful. Okay, and that is how you use your branded stickers using Canva. And that is how you create branded real estate stickers for your Instagram stories. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up as it encourages me to put out more content just like this. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of the fun. And in the meantime, check out these Canva tutorials over here. And until next time, we will see you next time. Bye friends!